Ralys Skin Health Charcoal Cleanser. Ralys Skin Health Charcoal Cleanser is a non-drying and detoxifying cleanser. Beneficial for all skin types, it is especially effective for acne-prone skin. First, dampen your skin. Next, take one full pump of Ralys Skin Health Cleanser. Foam it up between your palms and apply it onto your skin. Massage in an upward circular motion for at least 1 minute. Activated bamboo charcoal attaches to topical pollutants and washes it away. You may leave the cleanser on for another minute. Using a microfiber towel, wash off the cleanser with warm water. Stay away from products that contain certain antibacterial ingredients, like salicylic acid, that dry the skin. Eventually, this causes an adverse reaction where the dry skin cell layers on the surface will now trap oils, bacteria, and impurities. Ralys Skin Health Charcoal Cleanser's key ingredient is aloe vera juice that is soothing to irritated skin. A unique blend of antibacterial essential oils do not dry the skin and control excess oil and breakouts. Ralys Skin Health Charcoal Cleanser suits every skin type. Effective for acne-prone skin. Can be used to remove makeup. Smart detoxifying alternative to use for shaving. Great for travelers. What goes on your skin goes in your skin.